Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. I miss you so much. This is Miss Razan. Today, we are going to talk about plants and animals in hot countries. As you know, that it's difficult to live and grow in places that are hot and dry. So, a few number of animals and plants can live there. So in this lesson, I'm going to mention some of animals and the plants that can live in hot places. So focus with me on the following pictures to know the name of the animal or the plant, and please try to repeat the names. Let's start with the first animal, which is camel. Please repeat camel. Camel. The next animal is goat. Goat. Repeat. Goat. Thank you. Then lizard. Lizard. Repeat please. Lizard. Thank you. Then snake. Snake. Repeat. Snake. Then locust. Together. Locust. Again. Excellent. Locust. Then gerbil. Gerbil. Again, please. Gerbil. Thank you. Then moth. Moth. Repeat. Excellent. Moth. Then butterfly. Butterfly. Repeat. Thank you. Butterfly. This bird is called finch. Finch. Please repeat. Finch. Thank you. Finch. Now let's start with the plants. The first plant is date palm. Date palm. Please repeat. Date palm. Thank you. Then we have olive tree. So also olive trees can live in hot places. Olive tree. Please repeat. Excellent. Olive tree. Now we have pomerantha flower. Again, pomerantha flower. Please repeat. Pomerantha flower. Together now. Pomerantha flower. Repeat alone. Excellent. Pomerantha flower. Now we have desert rose. What is it again? Desert rose. Repeat alone. Excellent. Desert rose. The last plant we have French tamarisk. French tamarisk. Again, French tamarisk. Repeat alone. Excellent. French tamarisk. Okay. Now, please look at the following pictures. The first picture is the city, and the second one in desert. Now, can you tell me, where would you choose to live? Where do you like to live? In city or in desert? Actually, to me, I choose to live in city because living in city is much easier than living in desert. So, what are the things that make living in the city easy? And at the same time, what are the things that make living in the desert difficult? Actually, the main things that make living in the city easy are the presence of water, shade, and the weather there is cool. So, the main three things that make living in city easy: water, shade, and the weather there is cool. So, those are the three things that make living in the city easy: water, shade, cool. Now, what about the weather in the desert? Actually, the weather in the desert is hot, and also there is no water and no shade, so that the living in desert is very difficult. So the main things that make living in the desert difficult, that there's no water, no shade, and the weather is very, very hot. So we have finished the first lesson. So after studying this lesson, please answer worksheet number 4 and send the answer to me in B12. I'm waiting for your answers. Thank you for listening. Study well and good luck. Thank you. Bye bye.